If you hear and I kick here, you cannot see my kick.
Wow.
Because it comes from boom. No, I don't prepare too much.
Like you kind of just, I don't even know how to explain it. Kind of, you don't see it. There's no telegraphy. Like there's nothing moving except
nothing.
Just.
See how you even had to like lean back to pick your foot up?
Yeah.
He's got his weight perfect. That's why he can bounce the way he bounced too. And he just go back.
Yes,
So just like sit on it.
yeah, but you have to improve your kick.
Why?
Because you kick like that.
How am I supposed
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't move too much. I think with my hips, like a punch. If you think your hand's gonna punch,
Yeah.
like you're gonna throw your punch much more, right? Same thing. You think like your hips gonna kick. Boom.
Oh wow.
Different.
Yes, that hurts more than a push.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's crazy.